How to configure PuTTY so that home/n/PgUp/PgDown work properly in Bash. The keys home, end, PgUp, PgDown all type A in my Bash session instead of moving the cursor, view around. Why does this happen and in which settings do I need to change? The question originally read: in PuTTY, why does pressing the home key on the shell, bash, type A, or rather, how do I make it move the cursor to the start of the command I've typed? I thought the reason was that is the home directory, but the answers say this is not so.
Under the connection is greater than data tab, change the terminal type string from the default string to Linux. It worked for me.
This is happening because you don't have PuTTY's terminal type set correctly, or because your server doesn't have the correct terminal definitions installed. On Debian-based systems, the NCurses term package, version 5.7+200812131 includes terminal definition files for PuTTY, PuTTY 256 color and PuTTY VT100 terminal types. If you have this package installed, you can set the terminal type string to PuTTY instead of the default term in PuTTY session configuration, connection, data. Stephen Irons also mentions Linux as another terminal type that works. I believe this is correct from prior experience, but haven't tested it recently. On my systems, this allows home and end to work correctly, though PgUp/PgDown do not scroll the console window. They do work properly in NCurses applications like Aptitude, and Shift PgUp/Shift PgDown scroll the console window.
If you want to verify which code is sent by PuTTY to your terminal when you press a key or a combination of keys, you just have to issue a Ctrl+V and then press on the desired key. For example, in my box, pressing the home key will generate the following string on my terminal. That means that PuTTY sends the escape character followed by the string, 1 tilde. You can create an ~.inputtrick file in your $home folder, or alternatively in /etc/inputtrick file depending on your system. Then fill this file with the PuTTY codes and the matching bash actions you want to be triggered by bash. Note: replace every character by the equivalent \e string. In my example, I'll add a line with my home key code in the beginning of line action, which by default is bound to Ctrl+A in bash. FYI, my inputtrick file has the following content. From its symbology, more bindable commands, like previous history, move up through the history list, available on this reference page.
Ctrl+A takes you to the start of the line. Here's a list of bash keyboard shortcuts.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.